Alright, I came out here to make a short little video, and I wanted to give an update about these two chainsaws. Now, this chainsaw, let's see, no problem. Do me a few cranks because I'm in an awkward position. So this chainsaw, they both got gas. So choke everything. And I can keep pulling all day long that day. Well, I was cutting with this one, and just out of nowhere, I mean, I just cutting something easy, you know, cutting, and all of a sudden, boom, just stop. So the start just killed on me. I could not get that sucker restarted. Now, when I bought that Stark, I paid this $130 for it. I bought a $16 2-year extended warranty or extra warranty through Walmart.com. So instead of going into it and trying to figure out what exactly was wrong, I pursued the warranty. It took a little doing. Anyway, the protection plan for that ended up coming to the resolution that it's not worth it for me to send it back. They're just gonna send me a check for the amount. I'm like, okay, so I don't have to send the chainsaw back. So that leaves me with this chainsaw that doesn't run, which means I am going to wait for the check to come in, and when it does, then I'm going to take this sucker apart and go into it and find out what exactly is wrong. Now me, I mean, there's no obvious damage. It was free. I mean, it's free. I did take the air filter off, and I looked into the carburetor and everything. It looked fine. I pulled it and sort of could see the top of the piston coming up. I looked in there. To me, it's like the kill switch is just not working at all. So I'm gonna go into it and see what's wrong. If I can fix it, heck, it turns out it'd be almost like a free chainsaw, but I don't know if I can fix it. But I'm gonna go into it. If anything, I mean, it's loaded with parts that I think I could scavenge and use on that one if I ever had to. I mean, there's parts on it, but I'll just take the check and I'll go buy another one of these, because this thing runs like a champ. It's got more power. The no name, well, the chainsaw this chainsaw, there's nothing wrong with it to me. It's got more power. It feels good when I'm cutting with it, and there you go. So I wanted to get this out earlier, but I wanted to wait till I had a resolution on the return on this. Not the return, but the warranty issue. It was kind of a go around. One of the things they say is, while you're on the phone with them, you have to have the product with you. So I was calling from work a few times to try and get this done, and you go through all this phone, you know, hit this button, hit 1 for this, hit 2 for this. And the funny thing is, this is the funny part about it, the last lady I dealt with, she sounded like a young girl. She's nice as can be. Had some kind of accent, but, and I'm pretty sure she was in the States because she was talking about the snow and all of that up north, I believe. I guess that's what she was talking about up north. She was talking about snow. And she obviously doesn't know what a chainsaw is, because she goes, "What is the item?" And I said, "It's a chainsaw." And then she asks, when it's plugged in, do the lights come on? Does it show that it's does any of the lights show that it's on? I said, "It's a chainsaw that you pull." I said, "It's a pull start." She goes, "So okay, so no lights come on when you turn it on." "You turn it on by pulling the rope." I said, "You know how a lawnmower works?" And she kind of like, oh, she laughed and giggled. And then I said, "Well, in order to start this, it's a pull rope." And she was like, "So no lights come on?" No lights come on. So anyway, it was just kind of funny. Some people have no knowledge of what certain things are. I guess if probably someone living in a city that has no idea about some of these things. Anyway, this is I thought it was over with. The story was over with, but since this one died, I'm gonna take it apart, see if I can get it running again after I get that check. Once it's completion, I got the verified email that it's coming in, so we're gonna see, and then I will go into this, and if I can get it running again, I'll post a review on that. But anyway, and the whole reason I didn't go into this and try, I know a lot of people say, "What the heck, man, that sounds like an easy fix." The only reason is because I had the extended warranty plan, and I didn't want to go into it and mess that up. And it turned out to be like their resolution, just send the check. Anyway, that's it for now. That's a quick little update on that. If I had to say, I wouldn't buy this. I mean, this one's much cheaper, and it feels better. To me, it's better. So, but I went on a website on Walmart and checked, and this one's sold out anyway, so I don't know that you can get it. But anyway, that's where I am on that. Oh, shoot. Oh, get down there. Okay. So, to be continued, I guess. Thanks for watching, y'all.